Yeah. Fireman, Chef Geoff in the house. Station 2, smoke rolling through. This ain't red sauce, nah. We gon' deep.
Green gold,
Green gold,
dripping off the grill.
smoky little fire with the tangy little grill.
Jalapeño heat,
Tomatillos, stay boy.
Fireman, Chef Geoff.
Yeah, I'm serving green gold.
Green gold,
Brush it on the chicken.
green gold,
Got the whole crew dipping.
green gold.
When that smoke starts rolling,
Firehouse flavor,
and you already know it.
try jalapeños, get the smoke.
Poblanos right behind.
Tomatillos on the grate,
Let them roast and take their time.
pineapple getting charred.
Bring the sweeten to the flame.
Roasted garlic, green onion,
Now remember the name.
fresh cilantro in the
A
blender.
little basil in the mix.
Lime juice, lime zest,
Yeah, we hitting every switch.
rice wine vinegar.
Worcestershire splash.
Honey, bring it home.
While the smoked paprika smacks.
Salt, pepper, oregano.
Blend that thing smooth.
Cold butter at the finish.
That's the fireman move.
Bright green color.
But the flavor stay bold.
Put it in a jar. Call that liquid green gold.
Out green gold.
Green gold.
Dripping off the grill.
Dripping off the grill.
Smoky little fire with a tangy little grill.
Jalapeño heat.
Tomatillo stay bold.
Fireman, Chef Geoff.
Yeah, I'm serving green gold.
Put it on the tri-tip.
Put it on the ribs.
Brush it on the chicken.
Watch what happens when it hits.
Shrimp on the grill.
Yeah, give 'em that glaze.
Burger needs a little something.
Green gold saves the day.
Fries take a dive.
Onion rings too.
Crew standing round like Geoff.
What you do?
Smoke in the peppers.
Little sweet, little heat.
One taste turns into two.
Now they crowding round to eat.
No bottle off the shelf.
Gonna do what this do.
Made from scratch at the firehouse.
Station number 2.
When the dinner bell rings,
And the whole crew rolls.
there guard that jar of Fireman. Green gold,
Smoke it,
char it,
blend it.
pour it,
Chicken,
tri-tip,
shrimp,
ribs,
sweet,
heat,
smoke.
tank.
Green gold, remember the name. Green gold,
Green gold,
dripping off the grill.
dripping off the grill.
Smoky little fire with the tangy little thrill.
From the firehouse kitchen to the whole damn world.
Pop that top and let that green gold swirl.
Green gold,
Yeah, the smoke runs deep.
green gold,
That's the sauce they wanna keep.
green gold.
Better make another bowl. 'Cause when Fireman Chef Geoff starts cooking, everybody wants the dough. Fireman Chef Geoff, Station 2. From firehouse to flavor house. Smoked, fresh, bold.